So this is a hack I found, very cheap, and it looks so cute at any season. So we're gonna make decorative wreaths. So I bought this wreath at Goodwill for like literally $1.99. Yeah, $2, $1.99. And you see how it's like not that cute? The ornaments aren't that cute. When you put up ornaments, you tangle them in the branches. So that's how these are on there. So you can just take them out just as easy. The ornaments it comes with, you can always keep them. Like this little snowflake thing, because I already got one off, so I saw it. It's super cute, and you can even spray paint it a different color, and you can make a whole new decoration with just like putting them all together on a frame or something. Yeah, look. So you just have to keep untangling everything until it's a clean wreath and you have everything aside. So this is the before. Wait for the after. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you untangle everything. These are the only things I kept from it. These, I feel like you can put either on the bottom of a vase or on top to use them as a decoration. And I got 3 out of them. There's a 4th, but it ripped, so I didn't keep it. And these are the balls. They're super glittery and like resistant, so I feel like they would match with gray. But this ultimately is what I wanted. So we'll see how it looks. If it looks the way I pictured it in the kitchen. So, and now that it's spring, you can like decorate it for spring, like add a few Easter eggs, a little sign across there. And then for Christmas you can use it, or as everyday decor you can add a bow up there or something that matches the color of your kitchen. You do not spray paint it. Do not listen to Stephanie. Do you have anything to add, Stephanie?
You could use it
For St. Patrick's Day, que ya pasó, so for next year. There's a lot you can do with it. I love it. I love how it looks. It just matches everything. Because it's green. It's like a pop of color.
That's your favorite color.
So I just love how it looks. Right, Steph?